Hello everyone, this is a short video showing you how to transfer your RhinoCAM default settings from one computer to another. And we're going to be doing this using the Windows registry. So if you're uncomfortable with getting into the registry, I suggest that you get an IT professional to assist you with doing this. But we're going to show you how to do it manually, moving your settings, your RhinoCAM settings from one computer to another. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go down in the Windows taskbar. We're going to pick the search and we're going to type in regedit. That's REGEDIT, and we're going to press enter and we're going to pick OK. Now you have to be logged in as administrator to do this. So it asks you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Pick yes. And what displays is the registry editor. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go on the left side column. We're going to go all the way to the top and we're going to select the H-key current user folder and expand that. And then we're going to go down to software and expand that. And then we're going to go down to MecSoft Corporation, expand that, and then to your current version of RhinoCAM that you want to capture and migrate the settings for. So we're going to use, in this example, we're going to use RhinoCAM 2024 for Rhino 8. We're going to select the folder, and we're going to right click, and we're going to pick export. And what this is going to do, this is going to export a regedit file that you can then execute on the second computer. So we're going to pick export, and for the export registry file dialog, it's important that you save the file to the exact same name of the folder that is written in the registry. So we're going to pick RhinoCAM space 2024 space 4 space Rhino space 8.0. Okay, and for now we're just going to save it in any folder, and we're going to pick save. I already have one there, so I'm going to override it. Okay, so we're all done with that. We can close the Windows registry editor. So now we're going to go to the file browser. We're going to go to the folder where we saved the registry export file. And we're going to scroll down, and you see here that we have RhinoCAM 2024 for Rhino 8.0.reg. Now what you want to do is you want to right click and copy this to a thumb drive, okay, and then carry that thumb drive over to the second computer, and then from there you want to copy the file onto the second computer. It doesn't really matter what folder it's in. You can put it on your desktop or put it in your default folder, whichever you want to put it. But in this video, we're just going to assume that we copied the file over and we're locating it. And we're going to right click on the file and we're going to pick open. Now, again, you need to be logged in as administrator to do this. So we're going to pick open. And you'll see that there is a warning there. We'll pick OK. And you'll see this dialog. This is just another warning. Again, if you're uncomfortable with doing this, get your IT professional to do it for you. The important thing here is that you name the reg file the exact same name that you saw in your Windows registry H-key current user subfolder on the machine that you want to copy the settings from. So as long as you have the exact same name, you should be okay. So it just asks you if you're sure. We're going to pick yes. and then it tells you the keys and values contained in that file have been successfully added to the registry. Pick OK. So now on the second computer, you can run RhinoCAM. The same, obviously, you're running the same version of RhinoCAM whose registry files that you migrated, and all your existing settings from your previous RhinoCAM installation should be the default settings in RhinoCAM on the second computer. Thank you. Bye-bye.